Good morning, everyone. My people. I want to tell you what have happened all over my life. It has just been as if there are people that are being selected to this kind of thing. Before I got married, I only dated 2 men. And these 2 men I dated, one of them, I was dating him without having any intercourse with him. When he felt maybe he want to leave me and got married, and every time I tell him I don't want anyone to sleep with me, I want to live my life as a child of God. What he did was one day, he put something in my drink. I don't drink more than Coke. But when I get up, in his house, I came in the afternoon. Can you imagine that I slept till the following day? That was when I noticed that I have lost my virginity. It was sad to me. It was a sad news. It was very painful to me. What do you think I will do? I closed my mouth and I didn't tell anybody. It took me 5 years when I saw another guy who has been asking me out for more than 5 years. I accepted him. This guy have never for one day helped me. I was suffering. I was suffering to train myself in school. He has never given me anything. But just for me to belong, just for me to belong. Do you know that this guy, I didn't allow the guy to sleep with me. But what happened one day, this guy came and took my girlfriend. I know that day, he went and slept with my girlfriend. He slept in my girlfriend's house. And my mind turned me. I think maybe because I have been denying this guy of myself. After 3 months, I accepted him. When I accepted him, he started giving me money. But what broke my heart again was when I noticed that even one of my classmates was also a friend to this guy. I felt jealous. I felt sad. That was when I left him. And I also moved to another person who was asking me out for 4 years. I accepted him. The guy did not have it, but I noticed he loved me. That was how he got married to me. Began to take good care of me. And I now regretted. First, I have lost my virginity. It was not my mind. Second, I gave myself to someone. It was not my mind. And I think, and I want to come out today to advise all the young ladies. Don't say you want to belong. Don't go to any man's house. In fact, you don't trust anyone because you may not know what that person is having in his mind. Don't go to that one's house. So you can keep yourself. All I tried to keep myself from my man, it did not work. And up till today, sometime when I look around me, it pains me a lot. I just say, let me bring this word of advice. Let me say it, use this, my story.